Welcome back to Asi the Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Kayode Okpefa, the people's activist, still inside studio, and we discuss very important to read them. And we don't discuss the first one, we go round that one off before we go enter the second and the third one. Make the discussion they go back to back based on the wise man who we carry put inside studio. Honorable Okpefa, before we go break, you be mentioned say if we fit take advantage of transportation, we go discover say we go make plenty money. The people go even save. The living when we dey talk say we dey try manage for Nigeria go dey better because things go come cheap well based on the way when we say people dey move, they carry goods, they enter, they do all those kind of things. But make we look, shey na only transportation as Nigeria dey now when God don bless us 180 million plus people. Na only transportation be this way.
No, they don't. They do well for. I just mentioned the one way they never do it. They do well for agriculture with this loan where they low. But not be only agriculture. You go to look because if you look only agriculture. Me, I can't plant agbado, corn. You give me money to buy fertilizer. The corn come mature. I no fit sell am. No be waste.
Na waste.
So, not be only agriculture, but they get that low interest rate. People where they get corporate transport, let them be able to get loan too. Make them to get loan for below 5%. Like infrastructure man, they do for 0%. Government, they do am. Make government put more money for that sector. Now, the same thing what you do for agriculture, if they do for graduate entrepreneurship, all those things, good. But if they put money for those things, if people come make agric food come, they no free bring and come Lagos, where would they chop up? They can't take the food, go Kano when they go chop up. You grow albosa for Yobe, Adamawa, you don't free bring them to Lagos, the albosa go spoil. The another thing we government do, government they buy up for you, then go buy those agri products. Off, then go guarantee you say, if you produce agri product, I go buy them. So instead of just showing now 5,000 to people, all this, buy all the agri products, bring it down to the town, make it the price come cheap. If you give me 5,000, if they give somebody who no get job, where they look for job, 5,000 naira more, you know who go get the money? Now MTN and Globacom. You go take the money, they text, they call people, they ping. They ping. And the money when the Globacom make you own, MTN make you own, and South Africa in they go. So okay. That's what now the thing where they talk, the thing where concern poor man, now food, now housing, where he go sleep. The next thing now, how he go move, make money. So government they do well for agric. I mean that one are perfect. Then they do well for these small scale businessmen. But the thing no go work if those people cannot. They don't fit bring their food to the market. The small man will make product, he no get power.
As a result of say the
so the cost of the good way he produce, he go high. So nobody they buy him. So you make you increase the purchasing power. Me, I go look another econometrics for Nigeria. People know they talk this one. Nigeria purchasing GDP. If you look at Nigeria purchasing PDP, I think it's day number 23 for the world. It passed many countries where they get perfect economy. Now they say, if those are now the thing where they sell to people, nothing when you bring on Nigeria, people don't feel consumed. So even if all those figures look back, look for the figures where look good too. Maybe they promote them. Nigeria purchasing GDP, if they pass many countries in the world, they number 23.
For the whole world.
Yeah,
but then, Honorable, may I bring up from this angle? If they get issue with purchasing, and that is our purchasing strength, maybe somehow, just from the way people say, don't they fall?
Yeah, they fall. Make we look to that.
On the side of government, she notice say it could be also idea for government to say, okay, where can be those areas where our strength lies when it comes to buying things and purchasing things? Make we focus on that angle. I be they're gonna still the issue of say, okay, maybe they try.
Make I give you an example. You want to agree. You do tractor. You know, say they don't build tractor for Nigeria. They don't build tractor now. Me, I know, and that's my sector, transportation. They don't build tractor. We don't build truck. We don't build so many things. We create more jobs also. Those manufacturing things.
Okay.
Look at that, our Ankara. You see how people they put something where they China. I call the one that say na Ankara with this. But you know the thing now the one with them they import. Now with the wear. See the minister for finance, in the wear this Abeokuta cloth. People know they feel copy am. You know, not be saying that tailor go make and look better.
Yes.
Design. So, now the thing we government, you know, just say buy made in Nigerian goods. You go they show them how the thing go they.
You lead by example.
Go they be.
Oga Okpefa, you don't answer everything we get to do with the economy, and we go hope say based on the way things dey, if government do the work when they're supposed to, and the people give government when they committed to bringing positive change support,
Make them
go
give
move forward.
government the benefit of doubt.
Benefit of the
This
doubt.
government, it don't get respect internationally. Obama then he said they talk am. Say the man anti-corruption fight, good. The man economy, good. The man security, good. When security dey cool, when Niger Delta people know they bomb again, when herdsmen know they kill like rats, if we put those ones down, agri product go increase. Amount we dey make for petrol go increase.
Very true.
People wey dey northeast, maybe you no know, na there I do my youth service. I do my youth service for Old Gongola. Now Adamawa and Taraba. I do am for Yola. Those people, they don't know anything to do more than to rear cattle and do farming. Between Adamawa, Taraba, Benue, Bauchi, you know the amount of food they produce for Nigeria. When now then they fight. That means say the rate of food production
Don't
don't go
reduce.
down.
Don't go down.
All those things, they happen since 2013. So we know say it go happen. Now the thing will make we focus now. Concerted effort. Everybody come
Together.
Be pushing. Nobody say you go to attack yourself.
Yes,
When
yes.
America dey economic
Recession.
challenge, you know they hear Senate America. They abuse president.
Not true.
No.
Everybody
Then
go join hand
come
together.
Together because now
You
collective
know they
problem.
hear opposition.
The
They say
constitution
if
will
you,
say
if
it's your
Shebi
problem.
you say you can do it.
They go dey come
Exactly.
with solution. They give. That one now he be say you get. Make I give you example. That time when Nigeria Obasanjo increased fuel price, the first time we do am. That time they America. You know what they do? That time price of oil don't skyrocket in the international market. So pump price in don't increase. American government, city government, local government, in they collect tax for petrol, you remove your own. State government, they collect tax, they remove their own. Federal government, they collect tax, they remove their own. Don't say the thing can't go low. Instead make the thing dey $3.41. The thing go come dey $2.41. So that means say extra money for pocket for the common every
people, yes.
American. Now the same thing now. Government can look at now all those local government wey no collect salary. Government must tell them by force. If na government go give them loan, make them go give all those local government loan, pay the salary. Give all state government loan, pay the salary. If everybody can't get pay salary, everybody can't get money, they will spend money. When you spend money, it will look like recurrent.
Very true.
Don't forget that one is human development. So the same thing we go do for infrastructure. Not be say you go to give contract to companies where they go collect 30 billion, carry all the profit, go abroad.
Very true.
Because our economy, the international economy, allow make people to go
Abroad.
carry all their
Exactly.
profit, they go abroad. So also look at that thing. We go make the worker to work extra.
Hard.
Extra.
Honorable, because as part of this, there is one important way you also mentioned, and it get to do with loans where government don't they try, where they don't they give out, and then from one of the plans where they also outlined that they will give out about 1 million traders loan. Okay, for us to also so going by the reality we face right now.
Make I tell you the truth. If you give 1 million trader loan and transport cost still dey high,
The problem was still
production cost still dey high. Me and you, we won't buy, we no get money for our pocket.
Very true.
That trader go take time clothes. Every Saturday, he go to go party, they buy 2,000 naira, 1,500 naira, Ankara.
But then if transport be the major issue in this case.
Not the only transport.
Okay.
I don't mention am. Worker salary, you must pay it.
True.
So that the woman where you give loan, make him go stock in market. People go there, we go buy the thing. Now, the woman wey go with the Lagos, he wan sell groundnut. He go get money enough to buy enough groundnut. No be say the cost of transport don't increase. You know the thing, no be one solution thing. You go sit down. It's a value chain. When they want give students food for school, people they think say na food. No, the food where they give them now somebody go produce the egg. That one na production. He go get money. Now somebody go produce the rice. Now see what then they do with rice now. All over the country, rice go they reach one stage now. Price of rice go just come down. Flap. It's coming now. People are hiding under dollar price. Price of rice go soon come down. But why you no go crash as you dey expect? Now the cost wey they go take and bring am from Kebbi, the cost wey they go take and bring am from Osun, the cost they go high. So as the production cost for rice they crash, the cost of transportation they go up. The common man no go see am. Now if common man no get salary for work, how he go buy rice?
Oga Okpefa, but if we look the situation now, you don't emphasize on salary because the common man na the person wey be say go okay are you dey sell market make I go buy. But we get situation when e be like say some people their bank account don dry reach the level say.
Even considering the fact say even some workers right now they don give them 50% slash for their salaries as well.
Na the thing, you know, if company know, if I dey produce paper, this book, I be printer, and I no fit pay my worker, I go lay them off. Abi.
True.
But if the economy, we dey call am say resource distribution, me I dey call am social redistribution of wealth. You take from the rich, give the poor, balance the thing, everybody jolly enjoy. I dey mention that thing. If you no fit pay salary, na wahala. Because even if economy improve, that's when I go get more job. But before the economy can improve, it go take another 3-6 months minimum.
Very true.
Minimum.
Very true.
I go don die. By the time when I come work, I don't lean, I don't slim, I don't get energy again, I don't get interest to the work again, I don't become biased. I go just dey spoil material for work. Government, part of the subsidy wey they won't give out, dedicate that subsidy to make sure people wey dey work correctly get paid. So that company no go close down. Worker get paid. So the company where they produce Indomie noodle, you no go close. You know why you go if it close? If the worker where they buy Indomie noodle no get money buy Indomie noodle, the company too go close.
Business no go dey move.
So you must pay that worker salary. And I think government don't they think in that line now. When they give subsidy, people they say why they give subsidy? No, the subsidy way that they give now to make sure say worker get salary.
Money.
You must make that one. In America, if you lose your job, before it be 3 or 6 months, when they enter crisis, they change them to 1 year. When Obama came, so that if you could pay your rent, landlord no go suffer hunger. You go fit send your kids to school, and you go fit live without wahala. No be say comfortably, but without wahala.
But honourable, from this thing wey you talk now, e show say as government dey try do their best, government sef suppose dey chook eye for some kind thing, because we go remember say less than a year ago, government bin comot money wey run into billions to states say make una pay, but e be like say that money so and
na newspaper dey talk that one. Me I no believe am. The money e go work. I know one state wey me I know well we collect this money. That state, you know, they hear noise again because the governor and the worker they talk to themselves. If I no pay you less than 100%, I go retrench. Worker agree. If the hear noise for Osun again,
the noise no too
the hear noise for Osun again.
not too plenty.
Now one out of 36.
So
We know of some.
Now Osun everybody they abuse before.
carry first
When
that
the
time.
man they tell us say, I'm sorry, now the story everybody they abuse her. But the man now na true man, na man of God. Now Rivers want to start to negotiate. Benue try his own. Now sincerity. So government to go tighten some things, you know, make people know say you dey serious. When I say when we dey talk with this Marwa Okada and the people, when I dey talk with them that time, it took us 3 years. Make we understand ourselves. Me I tell them say certain things go happen. Okada business go dey out of fashion in another 5 years. They no only and they tell taxi people, if you no come together, make we talk. Everybody go dey do kabu kabu. You know they hear Uber now.
Uber don dey
You know
now.
they hear kabu kabu. Everywhere corner I say, when they tell them make them come before they agree with me, our tenure don't end. We do the thing, but they no fit start am now because the thing come within 3 months. The thing just pafuka. So make we too. They tell our worker they need to sit down with their government. Now true, the thing not dey good again. Some people don't chop our money, destroy am. Our economy for the past 5-10 years they just scatter am. So we go all sit down, look and say waiting we have fit change. People go see me now, they wear nice suit. They don't know say now the same one. If you watch me, you don't see this one on me before. When I dey come to that, I say, I won't look happy. I take one of my nice one, wear am. You get badge. They will say, I see the thing when you wear. Not be so. This one, I don't buy am when I dey special advisor. I see they wear am. I don't throw am. That's why we can change the things. If I ask you which time you buy your clothes, a long time ago. But you, because of your job, you won't look fine. You go they clean and way. No, make we know they do the things where we feel survive with. Make we know they struggle those ones, reduce them. But I see they sell them. That bailout newspaper where that's how they abuse some state. They say now ICPC talk up. This ICPC, EFCC, make them talk less.
Make them
Make them
do
go do
more.
their job. Somebody steal money. You don't need to be coming to newspaper and say you are probing paychecks, you are probing fafices. No. Anybody who want pro na your headache. The thing when Nigeria 1 year say somebody steal money, you don't collect the money and you don't punish them. Where you no fit punish. Sometimes I fit steal money, you no go fit punish me. But you go dey ground and say I steal money. But you no go fit take law catch me.
Like
when that thing dey happen, you go sit down with the person. If you no agree, we go call. You know, na government, we know they spend money. You will spend all this money for lawyer. Then they do am for America. They call am plea bargain. The man go plea bargain. You move to the next case. You quickly solve all this. We don't spend 2 years. Then just they make notes for paper. Me, I don't tire. If somebody steal money, and I know EFCC they convince people. They know they bring down on com media. Now the one where then they pursue, they never get this newspaper they carry. Make we change our. They say change starts with.
Change begins with me.
And true now.
But then if you dey look at me, you can also say now wetin the government dey offer to the people. Now they also they reflect.
I agree.
But then more come bring am. Okay, we don't see all these numerous issues. We don't see. I know we talk now conflicting way where if you come out from it. But on the side of government, as they lead the people, they steer the ship. It's not then they guide the ship. Because if that then they steer the ship, we supposed to do it. Follow the line. Okay. Waiting government, which you don't mention some, but then for us to get that collective tones, okay, see, make we follow this way. If we follow this way, collectively we go feel benefit from different areas, whether not transportation. See the angle if we take follow, we fit get everything right. Like if we go talk to government about that, which kind of suggestion we fit talk about?
That one you go pay me now. Now I dey do consultation.
You know,
the thing wey I go tell government I don't reserve am. But the thing wey I go tell government say people dey hungry. People dey angry.
And a hungry man is an angry man.
I say people dey hungry. People can't dey
angry. And if they can't combine the two together,
make government can't tell people the thing wey in they do behind and the result wey in they get. No be say when they go one workshop, when they go one seminar, and then go they tell journalists.
What they go do?
Make them they take time, create time to address it. Not be just a press conference where you, not be town hall meeting. Find a new way to talk to people. All those agencies where they to do things where go help people. Make them come and let people know how people then go fit benefit for those agencies. All those people where they collect money, they just pocket and they take and buy recharge card, say na loan. Find a way make the money know they go to those people. Me, I know say government they do a lot. But the way the government they communicate the things sometimes, they don't remove fear. I don't want to say they create fear. They don't remove fear. It say they bad to fight corruption.
No, of course, no.
Why Nigeria God is okay? Some people they say, maybe I want chop. No, you don't go chop when they no fight corruption. Corruption will chop you.
Very true.
Now, make we find way to tell the people how fighting corruption they link to recession.
Exactly.
Now, not the government alone go the talker. All those who call themselves CSO, NGO, agency, even the banks, they don't tell you the truth. When me I know some things where I don't want to talk here. When they want increase, they want change that liberalization for petrol. All those marketers they tell you say, NNPC they do everything. Now they tell you say na lie, na foreign exchange. Now they don't give them 50%, then they import oil. So make all of us sit down. Those who they say organized private sector, now bobo. That's why people they query that go to a nice man, good intention. People wait there, a bank where they collect dollar, go sell to somebody, the person go, you don't understand. All those things, if those things don't change start with me. If those things don't change, we go just make small progress. Not say we don't go make progress. But all those things will make up. I don't know how to describe it for television.
Very true.
Unless I see those people. I don't say that they watch us. They don't say there are many things some state governments have done before. When Lagos, under Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it dey crisis. You see what the man do? The man go bond market. Nobody ever go there.
Very true.
For stay, he go collecting 15 billion. They can't tell us, say the man don't mortgage Lagos for 50 years. As the man can collect the 50 billion, Lagos come and shoot money for market. Everybody come dey yanfu. Then they say, Jones okay. They don't know say now economy is okay. The man can't start. By the time we can't government, we can't carry all the money we in borrow. It remain maybe like say 2 billion. The man don't nearly pay. We can't pay him. Can't go for 75 billion or 50 billion. Lagos collect the money. Can't they build bridge? Can't they build road? They say Fashola don't sell Lagos. They don't know say na infrastructure in the build. That infrastructure we actually started. Where Fashola continue can't become perfect. And but they can't come. They can't they relax. No under pressure. They can't they drive. They continue the thing. Lagos can't be like say no get recession. So now at the talk say there are things where people don't do before. There are people who don't do them before.
We don't set the foundation.
Those people who work under those government, they still there.
Honorable, this is what way you don't explain now. It is very, very clear. Say people will sabi how to help Nigeria come up for this situation a day. But then it be like say some people the year when the team they land, it be like say so
They angry with you. No. You they talk say the team. No, they talk say that nobody they make effort. I'm saying that they make effort.
No, I didn't. No. Honorable, here the angle where they come from.
So you get some people.
You get some people.
Their responsibility now to say, okay, make we bring in this and they make we take government. But government,
maybe they go here and say, this is the one that they listen.
Me, I know say government did it. Now the people when they talk the wrong one and then come the paper they carry. That's why I mentioned it.
But the people when they talk the wrong one, they be like say their own they first they reach the ear.
Exactly.
Before people like could reach.
Now media they carry them first.
Maybe their own voice like pass now.
Make one media can't tell us you know how we go cover. Now what did they do? We say they go carry the thing where one person say twist them like that. You know remember when Lagos government go get this approval for 500 billion from the assembly? They can't. It took the governor to come and say no. We say I won't collect 500 though. Now only 50 or 60 I go collect. It is said the newspaper no before the governor talk. But just you carry the truth now. They make them know they carry things where just they scatter. They make the common man get angry. Come on top of his hunger. You don't say if they hungry, it's okay.
The
thing where they talk say people they hungry and people are hungry. Me too, I feel the hunger. Me too, I dey angry. First thing I do is to cut certain things. Now, anybody where I know where they government, I go tell them my own thing where me I think say they feel
the right thing.
But if you they do am, me they do am, we don't do am. No, you don't go get this kind. So, and the people where they suffer and they tell you now the average Nigerian people. Some people no fit pay school fees now, school don't resume. Some people no fit pay rent. Woman when they sell good, nothing they in he die again. Every good, he don't go. So the woman can't sell again. So the message when they sell for that woman from the big market for my 12, that one no go get customer and come buy.
Exactly.
Then the man when they grow the tomato for Kano, he no go fit grow tomato again. He grow tomato, he get SS, make government go buy am. If anybody grow any crop, make them. Now, I hear one thing they say, price of something go up. If they come from government. Now fear. Find a way to explain to people. They said some bed they one place, Niger. They went, I don't want to hear where that bed, when he enter, he go cost me to pay more. I want to hear say government say bed won't enter. I don't go allow him enter.
Very, very true.
Now that thing will come on man.
Honorable Okpefa, you don't finish work for on top of this matter. In fact, we got to lock our telephone lines because we don't want to make the thing called distort the way you
do. The lecturing was.
If not be say, if not be say today and Wednesday, we for pass offering basket because you just talk like say na sermon. No. We say you collect offering. We go
offering basket say na sermon we dey.
Say we go use and support the ministry. Our people when they for us as we talk about top facility hot. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. If Nigeria good, now all of us go enjoy am. If Nigeria spoil, now on top of our head you go there. Honorable Okpefa, we thank you. Say you carry waka come on top of facility hot. Who could be this handshake? No, make only me shake am. Honorable, no.
Thank you. Tomorrow we'll come again. Bye bye.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.